In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page in SurveyMonkey, whether you're creating a new survey or updating an existing one. Understanding how to effectively organize your questions across different pages is key to improving respondent experience and getting the most out of your data collection efforts. Let's start at the very beginning. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your SurveyMonkey account. Head to SurveyMonkey's homepage and click on Login. You have the option to log in using Google, so go ahead and choose your Google account to proceed. This step streamlines the login process, making it quick and easy to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the home page, where all your projects are displayed under the Projects section. Look for the survey you want to edit and click on it. This will open the Survey Details page. The next step is to enter the editing mode for your survey. You can do this by clicking on the Edit Survey button. This action will take you into the Survey Designer, where you can make changes to your survey. Now you're ready to start building or modifying your survey. Click on the Build option. This is where all the magic happens. SurveyMonkey's Build feature offers a variety of question types and design options to help you create a survey that suits your needs. As you scroll down the Build page, you will see the different options available for structuring your survey, including the Page Break option. The page break element is what you'll use to add a new page to your survey. When you've found the page break option, click on it. After clicking, you'll need to drag the page break to where you want the new page to start in your survey. This dragging action allows you to precisely position your page break, ensuring the questions are organized exactly how you want them. After placing the page break, it's always a good idea to preview your survey to see how it will appear to respondents. Click on Preview Survey to open the Survey Preview mode. This lets you experience the survey from a respondent's perspective, ensuring everything flows smoothly and looks the way you intended. Adding a page to your survey in SurveyMonkey is that simple. This feature not only helps in organizing your survey better, but also enhances the respondent's experience by not overwhelming them with too many questions all at once. Breaking your survey into manageable, logically organized pages can lead to better engagement and more accurate responses. Remember, a well-structured survey is key to gathering the insights you need, so take the time to plan out how you organize your questions across different pages. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on adding a page in SurveyMonkey. Happy surveying!